My name is Arya. I am 10 years old. Thank you for giving me likes and subscribe for the last video. This is my second video. I have made a vacuum cleaner. So I have used a bottle. So we will cut this. So we will use a paper. We will make a roll and we will stick here. I have used a tire car motor which was old. I have used a switch. I have used wires. I have used drill machine to make holes. This fan is made up of spray bottle. I have used a battery. So I have used a cloth with the of net. First we will put here double tape and we will take this and paste here. So we will stick like this net. Connect the wires to motor, then switch and the battery. At the first we have cut this bottle. So we will take this and we will join here. Like this. So let's do our practical. Our floor is clean. You can look this. So our waste is here. Due to net, it can't go in to the water. So you can also make like that vacuum cleaner to clean your house. Thank you.